남샤멜란 땅으로 타이클라. 니산 또 마팔란도스.
Okay, so right here in Bunong tradition, before they enter the mountain, this is the start. So they have to come here to greet to the ancestors and to pray or like to have a conversation to them with a respectful mind. And they wish they could have a safe journey in the mountain.
Alright, we just arrived in Taitung. It's in Luye Township, and from central Luye we took a car up the mountain for half an hour, and now we are at Uninang village, Indigenous village of the Bunun tribe. And now we are going on a hike. Very nice trail. Loose stones, so you have to be careful. And our guide is taking us around and now showing the group the traditional trap of the Bunun tribe. There are too many people in our group, so I cannot get close to the action. So this is a very relaxed walk. A lot of trees, birds are singing, people are talking. It's when you're in a group, you have always people around. But if people are friendly, the guides are friendly, they tell you a lot about nature and culture. And they also have signs with English and Japanese. So they are able to accommodate the needs of foreign tourists. So here we have a steep section, but there's always ropes to hang on to. It's not that difficult. After the walk through the forest, we are now at a hut of the village where we will have lunch. And this hut is located on a great lookout point from where you can see the East Rift Valley, the southern part of it. You can see Luye down there. Further up is Guanshan. On the right side you can see the Pacific Ocean, and in the distance you can see Taitung city. It's a great view. I think we are at an elevation of 800 meters. So you have 270-degree panoramic view. Now we are going to have lunch, and it's probably very delicious indigenous fare again, like yesterday. Great experience. I recommend both villages, the one in Hualien yesterday and the one in Taitung today. Good stuff. You need to put it in the fire. Make that sit.
三金，一下马杜杜曼杜丹，马尼木木伊那伊桑，咕噜马哈。
耶
耶！
当那个
等一下，好，我们要拍。Okay, ready?
La bien misma Hachima kavik milishkiso Ibishkaso hayaktu Isuana nakaisa Hoian, Hawaii, Hohaian, Labian, Misa, Majima, Kavik, Milishkisu, Nibishkasu, Hayabtu. Isuana naka isa Ais milish kisuhan Tuza Mahani murmur Iya hohayan Hoiyan Hoai Hoai